All right, we are week 28, day 3, and we've already found some. Today in our science class, we did an experiment with celery. Now, we found the homophone mix-up here, right? H-O-U-R, hour and hour. We needed to change it to O-U-R, possessive hour. And then today in our science class, we done an experiment. So we changed we done to we did an experiment. Now we need to get experiment. Someone pointed out that it is spelled incorrectly. Who's got the spelling on that? Who can do it? Go ahead.
It should be E-X-P-E-R-I-M-E-N-T.
Only one word, only one letter was wrong in that one. That's so weird. Like, I look at a word and I'm like, man, something's not right there. But boy, when they only do it by one letter, that's sometimes tricky to find. But we found it. Yes, sir.
E-X-P-E-R-E. Good morning, Lakers. Please excuse a quick eruption.
E-R-E. No, we have it right.
At this time, if you could please send teachers, if you could please send down anybody that was on the missing from fall pictures.
E-X-P-E-R-I-M-E-N-T. We got it. It's good.
If you have any questions, please call the office. Once we are done with those students,
so we have 1, 2, 3 corrections.
Pick up any other students that are getting spring pictures taken. Right now, these are just for any missing pictures.
There it is. All right. So we got 3 in number 1. Let's look at number 2. You ready for this one? I see spelling errors. There's a lot of things that don't make sense in this one. Ready? Let's read carefully. Remember, we do what? We read, edit, write. Okay. It says, look at this. We poured water onto a glass, added red dye over the water, and placed the celery between the glass. The adverbs are just totally goofed up, right? So, give me the first one you see. No, Dubik.
For poured, it's spelled wrong. It should be spelled P-O-U-R-E-D.
Yes. Poured, right? We've got that one. We poured water onto a glass. Bobby.
Into.
Should be into. We poured water into a glass. Added red dye over the water. Over the water? Izzy.
In the water.
Right. Should we put into the water or in the water? I wonder. How about we just put to the water? How about we just put to? Added red dye to the water and place celery between the glass. That's a mess. You didn't place it between the glass, right? Not on the glass. You placed it in the glass.
I'm sorry. For fall pictures, did Michael go down?
No.
Michael, you need to go down to get your picture taken because you weren't here in the fall.
Go ahead, bud.
And
We
then
poured
Desiree,
water.
You need to go
Desiree,
down.
go ahead, honey. We poured water into a glass, added red dye to the water, and placed the celery in the glass. How's that sound? Thanks, Miss Penn.
Yeah, I'm just looking around to see if anyone else came halfway through. Nope, we're good. Okay.
Gosh, there was a lot of mistakes in here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 mistakes, right? Unless you guys see anything else, I think we can move it on, right? Ava, what do you see?
Between the glass and added, could there be an and?
And place the celery in the glass. No. Right? Is that okay? What do you think? I think we're good. Let's take a look at the next one. It says, use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word. Then write the synonym. What does synonym mean? Everyone?
Same.
Then write the synonym for the bold word. When my teacher asked me what I observed, I said the celery leaves turned red. Okay, so we know the experiments. Celery leaves turn red, right? You would have to see that happen, right? My teacher asked me what do you think observed means? Bobby.
To, look at something.
to look, okay, or to see, right? What else? Yeah, go ahead. Or to notice.
Watch and take notes.
Maybe to watch and take notes. Yes, I certainly would be okay with that. To look, to see, to notice, right? All right, how about this one? Use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word. So here's the bold word. Here we go. You ready for this? She said that the celery turned red because it absorbed the colored water. So the celery turned red. Okay, that's a clue. What do you think absorbed means? Jimmy Jams. Soaked up or sucked up? There it is. All right, there it is, you guys. There is your DLR. Week 28, day 3 in the book.